ultimate
Yeah.
word.
Yeah, the ultimate mommy, you know, like
Yeah.
she
Yes,
got
sir.
ultimate for everything. Like, damn.
I mean,
Cause
food
I,
for every kid.
cause I make a
Yeah, like,
promise. I don't want to break my promise. It's a Sadako, I think.
oh, yeah, it's like, no, we are not like, I'm like, if I'm not gonna play, I'm just gonna ask you, and you know, if you're fine with that, it's okay, you know, right?
Yeah. It depends if I'm already eerie.
Yeah, but I guess the way you're playing, you can like do it, right?
Yeah.
Like, I'm not even kidding, right?
What is this killer, bro?
Sadako,
Uh,
Sadako.
the, the naughty girl, Japanese one. Andre. Oh my gosh, look at this speed, man. Look at this speed, buddy. We just pop a gen in like first 30 seconds. Like,
Crazy.
ooh.
Yep.
Yep, and the killer is
I
like,
can get a flashbang for someone. I have a flashlight.
Chasing me, chasing me, chasing me, chasing
yeah,
me.
me too. I have a flashlight. Give it to.
Oh shit.
I think, bro, like people who play Rainbow Six Siege are actually, you know, like not kids, bro. They're like men, you know, come in the
Yeah.
category of men's.
Yeah.
So like these type of games are nothing for them, bro.
Yeah, to be honest, this game is like, bro.
Actually, true, no?
Bro, when
A
I
little
see,
bit, maybe.
bro, when I see tutor in this game, bro, I feel very sad for them, bro.
But if you play like Hunt Showdown or like CS:GO, you'd be a child. But that's another story.
Going to kill a shock, kill a shock,
I
kill a
don't
shock,
really
kill a
like
shock.
CS.
Going down.
Like recoil style, I hate it.
Yeah, to be honest, and that game is like, you're dead, you can't do anything. In Siege, you are like so versatile. Even if
Yeah,
you're
in Siege
dead,
you're shooting right on pinpoint, right? It's not
Yeah.
like annoying
Oh,
every
basement.
time. It's not hip fire
Kinda-
every fucking time, you know?
and the
Kind of
ball
very
bangs-
perfect game, no?
Ball bangs is like, shoot my ass, so like, shoot their ass.
I love
People
bowling.
say that it is a very good example of a perfectly made game.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Siege is
Nice
very
to hear.
good. Yeah.
I think it's, yeah, I really love the game, but I know a lot of people that complain about it too. Oh, he's chasing me. No, my save. Haha.
Yeah, no worry, but I flashed her. Distract.
Nice,
distracted her.
perfect.
Oh, she's going back. She's going back. Naughty Nia going back.
Lamau. La
Thank
da
you
da.
guys.
I flashed her. Boom. Pick up. Boom. Oh, she blocked the window. What the fuck?
Who's on the chase?
She is chasing me because I fucking. No, she's going
No.
back for you, Sam. She's going
No,
back
not
for
me,
you.
not me, not me.
Not you.
He's with Malone
Not
now.
me either.
On you. On you.
Malone.
Is she chasing me?
Separate
Blessing,
YouTuber.
killing
no,
shock,
no, no.
blessing, killing shock.
Blessing Killer Shack. Okay.
Two
The
weeks.
link. Oh, where is the other one? Can you tell me? I can also
No,
bless
no, no,
it.
I mean, two perks,
Okay.
Healing and expo.
No, I'm dead.
Yeah, me too. Me too. I run the same build.
Oh, I fucked up, bro. I fucked up.
What is your other two perks, Sam? Goliath?
Bonds and life.
Okay, only one perk difference. I use tenacity.
He's chasing me, you can save.
Yeah, wait. I'll go for the save.
Oh, I'm right there.
No, I'm near.
I'm more close. Naughty. Let's see.
Oh, I don't see any pellets here. It's kind of annoying.
Go.
Do you wanna heal?
Where do I go?
Naughty speed.
Where
We
do I
can finish.
go?
We can finish this gen, I think.
Can you heal me?
Getting healed by
Oh, shit.
Balerion.
Balerion.
Yeah.
You guys can't do it, man. That's my whole point. You can't do it. Yeah. You guys can't do it. Come on.
Balerion.
Meraxes.
Bro, why don't you say it sexy, bro? What the fuck? Why don't you call it like sexy, bro? Oh, she's no.
Oh, he didn't
Sam,
even
come
see me.
Sam, what the hell? Sam,
Wait, I'm
trolling.
Mortuko.
Sam,
Oh no.
trolling.
Hold on.
Okay. I'm eating.
Wow, nice
Balerion.
360, bro.
Balerion Meraxes.
Oh, she's Sam trolling, bro. Bro, what the
So
hell?
funny to like actually say that, bro.
Bro, same trolling. Bro, watermelon, she's coming.
Let me heal you.
Bro.
Okay.
Can you take one more hit, bro?
Will that help?
No, hook is right
You
there.
want help? Say your name first. Balerion.
Bro, hey yo, roller coaster, up and down. Hey Sam, have you ever tried utong?
What? You want me to
Yeah,
try your utong?
No, no, not that utong. The utong, the vegetable. You don't know that?
No.
Come on. How can you don't know that? Wait. I'll send you the picture of utong, like a big fat utong, you know?
Can finish this.
Wait.
Who has the proof thyself? Do
Sam,
this.
look at this.
Me.
Go,
Oh.
go, go, go. Where is it?
I send you the utong.
Where did you send it?
Yeah.
Oh no.
That's
My
the
bad, my bad.
Oh, dakang. Ano yan?
Yeah, blast mine.
yeah. One of my friends, she told me that's utong. You
No,
want
it's
to grab-
not.
No, that's utong, right? That's a juicy utong, you know, right?
Is
Have
that
you
a
ever tried-
kangkong?
I don't know. She tells me that's utong.
Oh, wait.
Have you ever
Oh my
tried?
god.
Flashbang?
Imagine.
Yeah, flash boom,
Popping.
popping that cherry. Come here. Oh,
No,
it's
you
the
know,
last
Nice
gen.
the
umbrella,
killer is
man.
baby.
It was the last gen. What the hell? Oh, I was like, no. I was thinking the game is gonna be more big.
Prepping.
What the?
Oh, I need to open the gate.
Oh,
I need to
no.
open the gate for my quest later.
Oh, you open it.
Thank you.
Wait. Ah,
Tickets.
sitaw. Yeah. Bakit nga pala?
Very good.
Go off, naughty bro. Jeez.
Wiggle. You go.
Yeah, he's running.
Wiggle. To make that ass clap and jiggle.
Go. I'm just behind you.
Hey ladies, drop it down, bro. Naughty na, bro.
Naughty ka.
Hey, Monica. Damn.
What?
Good job, guys.
Didn't follow PewDiePie, bro. Damn.
Oh, that's the sitaw, yeah.
Utong, bro. Okay. Damn. There you go. Oh my God.
Easy one. Very easy.
Yeah, very easy. I don't even do a single gen. Just kidding.
I can just tell because Mortuko is not speaking anything. I think he's bored. Easy.
Oh, no.
Too easy.
Yeah,
Too easy.
I
He's
like,
bored already. Too easy.
Yeah, the Repo 60s
I'm
play like that, bro.
happy.
Like, it's a very easy game. Easy my clap, bro. Damn.
I don't like being toxic, you know?
Beans, yeah.
Oh, bro, all players say that and they just nade you from, vertically. They said, I'm not toxic, and they just nade you vertically.
That's not toxic.